After a busy week, you can quickly put together a weekly work report from your notes and schedules with your AI agent. Sync them to AINOTE Cloud so your AI agent can access them through AINOTE Skill. Once your notes and schedules are synced, open your AI agent with AINOTE Skill installed. With your weekly information ready, ask the AI agent to generate your work report. The AI agent organizes the information from your week and turns it into a structured report. Your weekly report brings together the key information and highlights from the week. You can also ask the AI agent to save the report to a new AINOTE note. Sync your AINOTE device to bring the new report to your notes. The report is now saved as a new note in AINOTE, ready for you to review, edit, or share.